This is a short demonstration showing how the public information map template works in ArcGIS Online. For more information, you'll want to visit the Solutions for ArcGIS site, ArcGIS for Emergency Management Public Information Map. Let's start here with a web map that features some live data that you typically would want in a public information map. You can see here I've got an editable layer that I'm using to add map notes or a really simple layer to the map indicating areas of flooding. I'm pulling in data from the Thames Valley Civil Defense showing road status. And I've also got an Esri Living Atlas layer here called the World Traffic Service, which you can access here from the Add button, Browse Living Atlas. And you'll see here there's a wide variety of global feeds that you may want to incorporate into your map. And you can see the World Traffic Service right here. You'll also notice it says subscriber content, which means you'll have to take an extra step when sharing this in the web mapping application so that the public can see it, if that's your audience. So to create configurable applications, a great workflow is right from your web map, you can click Share Map. You can embed that map in a website, but here we want to create another web app. The public information map template is here under Configurable Apps. And today I want to show you how to map social media, and it actually fits under that category. I'd simply select that template, create web app, enter some information, and then I would launch this app. Here at Eagle, we use this template every day to keep on top of current events. And here we're monitoring the flooding up north in Auckland and the Thames Coromandel. You'll notice here, I've got some subscriber content in here, data coming in from the Esri Living Atlas. In order to make this available with my audience, if it's public, I need to check these on. There's a variety of different features in here, but what I want to focus on for today is configuring social media. In particular, we're interested in Twitter. So you can see here there's an Instagram option, Flickr, and Twitter. Now this will require that you sign into a Twitter account to use, and I'll show you that in a second. But you'll want to review the advanced search and query capabilities of Twitter to better understand how to form your searches. So for instance here, I'm looking for the words flood or road. So that's something that'll be searched by default. The end user can change it after it's configured. You'll see what I mean in just a moment. So once we click Save, here in the preview screen, we'll be able to test this out. You'll see here that the map is ready to read and identify geotagged tweets from with indicating the words flood or road, but I'll have to sign into Twitter in order to access the API. And now I can see geotagged tweets on the map. This is live, and I'm not sure what this tweet will say, but we can see here someone's complaining about their road trip being canceled because of their car breaking down. So it's important to note that this will search for whatever words you tell it to. You can also just leave it blank, and then you'll see all geotagged tweets on the map. You can also search for tweets from a particular identity on Twitter by using the @ sign. And again, I encourage you to check out the operators and understand the advanced search capabilities in Twitter. It's very important to understand that this is just a sample of Twitter data that's out there. In order to get access to the fire hose, as we put it, you'll probably want to work with an Esri business partner like SnapTrends, for instance. Or you'll want to use ArcGIS GeoEvent Processor. That has an adapter or a connector for Twitter. Those are more advanced topics, but I thought today I could just show you how to get started with the public information map and begin to understand what your social media looks like in your area. When you're all set, just click Launch, and your app should be ready to go.